This is Dr. Pat for the 7 Systems Plan and your tip of the day. I want to show you how to boost nitric oxide. We've been talking about that in our last couple videos. Here's 3 powerful ways. Sunlight on your skin. Do not avoid the sun like the plague. You need to get some on your skin. Expose significant amounts. Number 2, exercise. One of the many reasons you need to exercise. It boosts nitric oxide. And number 3, eating certain foods. We'll look at the foods that boost nitric oxide the most in a minute. So you've got 2 main ways that you can produce nitric oxide. One is by chewing certain foods, and it mixes with saliva. That produces nitric oxide, and that is not affected by age. Extra reasons, as you get older, you need to eat the vegetables. The other way, as I mentioned earlier, nitric oxide is produced in the walls of your blood vessels. When you exercise, it boosts that production. Unfortunately, this is affected by age, so you get less of a benefit out of it as you get older. So we need to use both of these pathways. So if I ask my class, what is the most important vegetable to boost nitric oxide, you would say? I heard the right answer. Kale. Swiss chard, arugula, spinach, someone mentioned. The lettuces, beets, all very helpful in boosting nitric oxide. Now, does this really make a difference? Let's look at 2 diets. This is our diet in America. That's how much nitric oxide we produce. This is the Mediterranean diet. You know what I wish they had? I wish they had the 7 Systems Plan diet, because it would be even higher than that. Diet does make a difference. That's why at age 63, I score a perfect 0 on my coronary calcium score, when many people that are in their 30s and 40s already have risk because of the deposit of calcium and other materials in their blood vessels. We have a free class every Monday at 5 o'clock. If you'd like more information, call our clinic. And for those of you who are out of town, visit drpatluce.com to access our online course, which is having amazing results.